Okay, people, today is a dangerous day because it's raining. You gotta be careful on the road. I have a couple minutes to share this video to you guys, and I want you guys to see how dangerous it is to rain out the road. It's very wet, the roads. If you have tires on your car and your tires is not on the right treadwear for being a road, be careful. Come to us, contact to us right here, Total Tires, and then we're going to take care of you guys. Let me know, and I'm gonna find good shoes for your car, so that way you can be a security in the road and protecting other people. All right. Okay. Very dangerous. You're behind the wheel and a road. It's not easy eventually when it's raining.
Are you videotaping?
I'll be back.
All right. Hey, where are you going?